It's like umuntu awulandela iKwaito before.
Yeah, big time. Like I used to, growing up, like I used to listen to a lot of music. So I just like the style as a quiet, you know. It's like it's hood music. So.
Okay, good. Yeah. And like umjita ngubani umjita exactly ngubani umjita kanye mfethu. Okay guys, ndiyanamkela iyabuya umjita. Ndiyanivisa nje yeah. Ndiyanivisa ukhona umjita. Okay. Yeah. Come on, this one. Yeah.
Oh, this one, look.
Yeah.
Girl, I need some time with you. Girl, I need some time with you.
Yeah. Okay.
Controller.
Yeah.
Controller.
Oh, yeah.
Controller.
Yes, a controller, mate.
Controller.
Yeah. Now, abantu bakho bayangena. Thank you very much, guys. Umjito khona.
Yeah. She don't play games that me look at imali.
Yeah, excel namandla. Abajita ucharity. Fatuna nabantu wabiza excel fethu abantu bakho.
Always on my mind when she dance. Pretty little thighs when she dance. I be tryna vibe when she dance. Man, who are you? Man, I'm on my way up. Tryna get this cake up. Tryna get this paper. Man, who are you? Man, I'm on my way up. Tryna get this cake up. Listen to my I need some time with you. I need some time with you. Controller. Controller. I've been on my grind like I'm solo. She just one vibe with them solos. I've been on my grind like I'm solo. Nilong ya shiso ngang logo. Jalo big nazo ngang logo. Batin imzembo ngang logo. Batin ya shiso ngang logo. Jalo big nazo ngang logo. Yazang hasim tate bani. I just want the weekend. Yazang fungombani. I just want the weekend.
Yeah, yo guys, yeah. Except Baba, yo. And like mfethu, except Stillwavey ngubani mfethu? Tell kakopala bani.
Still swaves,
no Stillwavey.
But it's wave.
I say ya flyer lo, that is why. Okay.
Yes.
Otherwise umjita ngubani mfethu usuka aphi ngowaphi?
Igama lami bathabile siziba tsepang siziba. Maphala. Yes. Originally I was born in Zim, but I grew up in Mosper. From Mosper, that's where like I kind of found inspiration to do music at varsity from my cousin. Shout out to Eddie. Also known as Screw. Like that's like one
Eddie's
of the
listening now.
Best producers. Hopefully, otherwise I'm gonna have him for that. Otherwise, Stillwavey is a creative. Okay. I believe in making music. I believe in telling stories. That's why, like, even Paya doesn't feel last doing Hamba Nabotembi. It's like story. I just like creating like stories in general, but in music form. That's Stillwavey.
Okay.
In the art form, I guess. Like, grew up there and then went to Strand, found everything, and then now shout out to Poor the Rich, by the way.
We've
got some new music coming through there.
Yeah, Poor the Rich, excel, man.
Yeah, well.
Look, hey, there are many people, your people are very exciting, man. Cheers, man. Cheers, your people. I think let me just call them, all of them. Yes. Tyler Dengwenya. Yeah.
Shout out Taylor.
Ulisa, she was always listening, you know. Yeah. And then Lina Mandla from Mosperry.
That's my dog.
Shout out to Tante.
That's it,
We love boy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Tansei, yeah, shout out here. Shout out to Easy Beats.
Yeah, it's my producer.
It's a producer. Yeah, man. Yeah, you have something. Yeah, you have something that is you have. Shout out to Anele Lituli. Okay.
One of my homies also.
Okay. Yeah. It's like ulina mandla mfethu Ntsoyembu when it comes to controller. Yamncane controller. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Charity Kumede. Yes, man. Yeah. Oh, he's also watching in Mama Sperry. You have a follow up, ne?
There. Yeah.
Cheers, man. Cheers.
Shout out.
Yeah. Okay, Cleo Cabo. Cleo, you know Cleo?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Yes.
Definitely.
Cheers up, man.
Family.
Yeah. Okay, cool. And then Katlehong. Katlehong Bohlale.
Shout out.
Yeah, I'm sorry to pronounce your name, man. Cheers. Yeah, shout out to you, Amkela Kwesha.
Shout out.
Yeah, you know these people, man.
Yeah, I know that.
Cheers. Yeah. Good, man. Too much follow up. Yeah. Awuyamkela mfethu, awuyababa. These are all over. Yolwando Mafanya.
Yeah, that's a homie. Joburg,
ne? He's from Joburg.
Yeah.
Hello, Joburg, guys. Okay, shout out to Olisa. Okay, also shout out to Tankura Chikurune, yes, you know, man. I must know Swahili. We're speaking Swahili.
No, Shona.
Shona. Oh, okay.
Similar.
Okay, similar like that. Oh, okay, yeah, man. Munashe Eddie Chikure.
Oh, my dog. That's the producer.
Man. Yeah. Except for to producer up,
I like making music.
Yeah, yo, man. Cheers, man.
Like
Yeah. Okay, we go again to Easy Beats. Yes, producer, the big producer.
Delft.
Yeah, Umsholozi.
You just have to love Umsholozi.
Okay. Tyler Dengwenye Wheel Umchita. Yeah. Okay, yes. And Yolanda Mafanya, yeah. Munashe Eddie Chukuran Wheel, shout out to you. I can see. Man, Tez, when did you started to be in music? Maybe ubona ukuthi endinomdla umculo.
Umculo ngaqala ukuwenza 2018 actually. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I didn't want to make music. I just always liked Balanje. But then Eddie, the guy that produces like my very first song, even a controller, that's him.
Eddie. Shout out to Eddie. Eddie, you must come to the studio one day, Eddie. And then because I wanted to talk to you. Obviously, this show is about those people there in the back making some beats, making some music, man. You know, this is the local radio on Fetu. You can come over on Fetu to the studio. Eddie, Fetu, what are you cooking, man? How do you take it? You know, man. Yeah. So obviously now you are based, man, at Strand.
Yes, I'm business strategy.
Okay, cool, man. How many projects you've been doing? So started when? What?
I started in 2018.
2018.
We did like a song.
Okay.
I don't even. I went at that time.
Yeah.
I'm glad, but anyway, but it was top. Like it was fine. Just
yeah.
And then what happened is over time, like 2019, we did like a EP because I like making projects.
Okay, different projects.
World Sway. That's why like I was introducing myself. And then Saya 2021, we dropped Becoming Mapala. You see, that one is like, that was it. And then 7 Days of Panzula was last year.
Okay.
Yeah, well, that's where like a fan was sound. And that's just.
But obviously, the online audio tracks. If ever someone wanted
everywhere.
to.
Stillwavey on all digital platforms, and also if you're looking for us, like our old music, corner on Facebook.
Okay.
Yeah, on Creatives X Music. That's where like we keep some.
Man, I can hear you. Who inspire you? I mean, to do these things, you know.
It's a lot of me. I get inspiration from everything and everyone. Like, but musically, R.I.P. like Ricky. That's one person that I looked up to.
Oh, rest in peace.
And then that was him. And then there's Casper, obviously, because of the way he came up and everything. But like internationally, it was Travis Scott because I used to have friends. So like about 20 that's
okay, cool.
That's just me. Also. But fun fact, also another person that I used to like listening to is Lady Gaga. I'm sorry, but
Lady Gaga, man. Yeah.
She used to make nice music. That was it. Yeah, but umculo siyawuthanda, that's it.
Okay,
so
okay,
it's any sound DJ, because even Labo Freddy Kwala from way back used to listen to, so we tried to fuse Lando into hip hop.
To mix it,
so now we're cooking up a sound. It's gonna be called Trap Sula.
Okay.
Trap
That's wonderful. Shout out, guys. Yes, I can see you, Joburg, guys. I can see you, East London. Yeah. Many people here listening, guys. Our show. Yeah, thank you very much. Like our show. Continue doing this. What we're doing, Tina, what we're doing, obviously, we wanted to bring those artists. Guys, people they are on the back, they are making big music. You can listen the lyrics, obviously beat nje, uyayimamela nje uyayiva nje ukuthi umjita iphekiwe le way, cookiwe le way. Okay, except out here, otherwise you've been at Strange. Do you get some platforms to perform?
Platforms. I was actually speaking to Uyang M Beats from Amaqaba. Yeah, shout out to him. He's the one that linked me up with Poetry.
Yo. Except when I am. Okay, Asamba, nothing goes. Mamela, pa. Yeah.
I got a vision, falele shila, many she done.
Yeah.
I got friends I get far away.
I tell her I'm on the sound.
I call her Jace, I can attest to a bitch or something. Down on the knees and tell her my sin, la many she done. Makato ingoes or some, in village all the sun. Bakut got my door or son. I cannot fuck with her. Down on her knees, she's telling me shit. She probably got friends or something. Probably got friends I get far away. They tell her I'm on the sun. I got a bitch and falele shit, la many she done my son. Probably got friends I get far away. They tell her I'm on the sun. I call her Jace, I cannot touch to a bitch or something. She down on her knees and tell her my sin, la many she done my son. Makato ingoes or some, in village all the sun. Bakut got my door or son. I cannot fuck with her. Down on her knees, she's telling me shit. You probably got friends or some. Probably got friends I get far away. They tell her I'm on it.
Hey, Super Saiyan with that ego. Eat it up like it's Kellogg's. I want to smoke sativa. Funa umbali no sheroni. Icho bigazi kino se soda. Funa mamita like Eloni. I'm tryna ride in a beamer. Dona ya shisunga nglogoti. Tripping no white like inkomasi. Hamba no lino no polasi. Kalabantona ichilasi. Tipping it like a freezer. She call me the river jita. She fell in love with the mink. She just the flow like dinero. Pull out the steel out of vato. I got the juice, the melody. Manje clean swavy. Manje teeny baby. We should have seen the movie. We're in the street, I'm a nice guy.
Guys,
I'm tryna hit it and leave. She call me Mama Dali. I'm tryna eat at the Z. Mwah. Yeah.
Guys, Mamela Lewe, JP the guys. Otherwise, I'm triple away. It's out here. Where do you get Gubano Palela check? Yeah, Gubano Palela fix.
I just ballet like a right woman song.
Really?
Yeah. Shout out to Makado for the hook. Shout out to
Makado. Shout out Makado.
Nah, the J is working, so he couldn't make it. But yeah, that was like his song. I'm like, I have to come in. Then since I learned the Cienza. Shout out to Makado. That's like, yeah, he inspired that track. So then from there, that's actually a homie from back home.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah, they make music there.
Yeah. Thank you guys for listening. But I'm happy that, level in terms of yes, beats and everything like this, man.
Much appreciated.
Yeah. Obviously, how many EPs those could play or album from 2018 until now?
I've done three so far.
Okay.
I've done 3 so far, and then the rest was just like small singles,
featuring and so forth.
Features. Literally, I've got like a couple features.
Okay.
But mostly, I like working with producers because I feel like producers we work.
They have some ideas to bring in.
Like even when we make music, it's not like a fuss, we make. But I've got like a bunch of features. I've got a song with Aizo from Mama's Perry.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, shout out
So
to
are you still
one of
always
the
going?
top-
Shout out Aizo. So are you
yeah.
always going to Mama's Bed? Obvious, maybe to do some events.
And I haven't gone there since it's been a while. It's been a while. You know, that 9 to 5, we're trying to or something because, hey, there's a lot of music that we need to push, so we need some what do you call it, some finances.
But
so
tell me, as a local artist, do you get some gigs, local bookings, and so forth?
I wouldn't say so. I haven't
Maybe-
I'm only starting this year. Like this year, that's when I was like, I want to get myself out there.
Do you think maybe where's the failure in terms of the branding and the marketing? What do you think?
I think it's down to number one. I think it's the marketing.
Okay.
And another thing is like people want you to perform on their stuff for free.
Okay.
You understand? And also another one, Cape Town is segregated, but like the way Ngibona Corner starting to grow, because I'm now like talking to a few people, some contests like I said, so there's a couple of things that we're trying to sort out before that. Plus before, I wouldn't say I was ready. I mean, before I didn't even listen to my music. I put it out and I don't listen to it. I'm like, but now it's like I listen to. I'm more comfortable with my style because it's sharp. So we definitely about a trapaholic Pansula soon.
So your songs registered to Sambro?
Yes. Yeah, we are registered. Samro, Capasso, like all those.
So
like,
do you think the radio stations, they allow you the platforms in terms of performing or to play your songs? What do you think about that?
you're actually one of the few that like have like responded.
Shout out to DJ Kelliz. Yeah. This is great.
Shout out to you, OG.
Except let me share this, guys. Otherwise, let me share it in Xhosa so that it's repeated in like English, guys. Umjita okwendimele. Mamaland, guys. Let me. Umjita oko communicating with me from my inbox, from my WhatsApp. You know. Yeah. I said, okay, look, man. I'm very busy. Obvious. Guess Saturdays I'm doing sound. I'm DJing all over. So I'm not coming on radio when sometimes I do some gigs. But what I like about him, the discipline, guys, the communication, you know, when you want some branding, when you want something to come to you, you know, this guy, man, cheers, man,
shout out,
man.
shout out.
You know, so this man always pushing me, say, DJ Kelliz, I want to come on studio, you know, man, cheers, man, you know, even today, guys, I arrived at studio, you know, I always open up around 10 to 9 and so forth. The guy, when I was starting my show at 9, the guy, he was here, very disciplined, guys, you know. I'm just speaking with other artists, guys, you know, then close up the studio. Tina S is a radio, guys. Yeah, 15 minutes. Bone, ufike early so that you can prepare. Close up the radio, ube early, so squazi. Uteta na was born by Umjita, he was here earlier. Shout out to him.
Okay,
guys. Okay.
Yeah.
I got a vision,
I like this song. Yeah. You know,
I cannot fuck with her. Down on her knees, she's telling me shit. You probably got friends or something.
Okay, shout out to Cleo and Cabo. Yamkela Takura, Shikure. Sayixoxa Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga. Except Mamela look Lady Gaga very for me man. Takura, you are right, man. We need to discuss about this thing of Lady Gaga. You know, I mean, man. Can you explain this, man? Yeah. What do you like about Lady Gaga? I know Lady Gaga. You know.
As in, like, we just love the music. As how I found myself
really
listening to Lady Gaga like that. But I was like, oh, okay, she actually
no,
makes
man,
that. Maybe
good,
it was
man.
the attitude.
Yes, man.
Music is music.
Yeah. You know, shout out to Anela is back now. Yes. Ayabonga, Lady Gaga. Oh, man. All these guys, they are concerned about this thing of okay, Lisa. Yes, Ayabonga. Yeah. Kahle ngibonhle. Yes, umlilo fire. Yeah. uthi ngivaya ulinamandla uthi ngivaya no
Lano no Polas.
Yeah. Okay, they're back here. I like the support people they're giving you. You know.
I appreciate it. Big
Yes.
time. Thank you.
You know, many people. You know, when you tell them that is we are coming on studio, and you know, I always saying to the people, you know, you need to support people that is, you know, obvious. Okay, Asamba.
Okay,
Okay. Asamba. Okay, guy, we are still listening later. Eesteriver, Sam.
I'm on the highway, young Deshi, Hennycan. My flow high, patient, dose sweet medicine. It's retro, young metro, the beats from me again. ASAP, that match, Donna is high fashion. Why me? The same question I asked me. Go by my happiness in that banning full of dusting. Petty benches, better be like I said festive. Who does it like I do? Slinging below, living through a bash, bullets in a block. So everywhere with the tide is too strong. Captain on my ship, now my just as busy, I'm strong. I said, who does it like I do? Slinging below, living through a bash, bullets in a block. I said, so everywhere with the tide is too strong. Captain on my ship, now my just as busy, I'm strong.
Mamacita was popping. I be moving with my cheetahs like goblins. You cannot stop this, hey. You cannot lock this, hey.
They cannot copy.
Yeah. Mary passing calling, bone galo basa pit. Mary passing goes and Mary pass on kama train. It's Kelliz, fella lale list. I feel like 20 stain, I was in Guazo by stain. Basu 7 na machito, Basu 7 na magains. Ooh, from a say Pasu Cape Town, a Kailish. Ooh, Lanis Puma corner, Velo, Western Pagamis. And Lanis Samba corners, funny, Osos Pazamis. Keep a pizza basa bed. We say, who got the flowers, amazing, Uncle Mel. Pesu Pele Pele, Pesu Juicy, no sugar. Mamacita was popping. I be moving with my cheetahs like goblins. You cannot stop this, hey. You cannot lock this. They cannot copy.
Made up fresh like Mike, hot like a geezer. Funa mina like Caesar, and she held me tight like a fly. Funi 4-5 na nagati 6-9. Asamanga gati wenza njani. Mina nkalakatha. Tripping all white gati nkomazi Polas ugqoka number 10
Polas.
Kumega bo 80 hamba no Tansei spusha no Timani Kali deep house ngapha ngota AC ukubhebi ngeli usecaleni uthi Mamacita sigodu yeni ABC she was here for me
you see the color
like
yo guys yo it's a guys trying to have a talent talent lapho guys lele Asaba Fetu Maswin in the back here. Sabelo Gumed, shout out. Yeah. Sabelo, you know Sabelo, no?
That's Mama.
Yeah.
Shout out to Mama. That's Mama Sweet.
Sabelo, no?
Yeah.
Yo, shout out Mama.
Yeah, like that's Mama Sweet. Like,
yo. Hi boy. Yeah. Charity Gumed, yeah, umlilo fire. Ah, my man, crazy booty. Yamngana wami ndithemba wethu ize studio. I don't know the way yakho yenzayo mfethu. Le light iphambele le uyayibona italented mfethu. This dude bra. You see crazy. The light mfethu itswempu mfethu. Itswempu light bra. Yo guys, yeah. Thank you very much, Lisa. We have to ask you the question. One in the way, we need to discuss this issue. Okay. We need to put it on table. Lady Gaga. Lisa wanted to know.
She's a creative.
What do you like about her? Let alone the music.
Style, like everything. She's
everything. Like everything, man. Like everything, man.
Everything. She makes nice music.
Yeah.
Mamacita was popping. I be moving with my cheetahs like goblins. You cannot stop this, ay. You cannot lock this. Making a copy. Man, I'm fresh like Mikey, hot like a geezer. Bethu funa mina like Caesar, and she held me tight like a plier. Funi 4-5 nana ngathi 6-9. Samanka ganti wenza njani? Mina nkalakatha buza nabo namhla. Dripping all white ngathi inkomasi. Polas ugqoka number 10 ngathi upholat. Hamba nama 10 siphume ngabo 80. Hamba no Tansei siphusha no Timani. Apha nguta 80 ububebe ngedlu secaleni. Sita skoduyeni ABC. She wants me 1 2 3. Kicks look clean, fresh like me, sharp like cheap, drip like That's a track quality.
Yeah, guys, yeah, man, yeah, this dude, enjoyable guys. Yo, man, now what you can say, obvious to your audience, people that is here listening to you.
First of all, I appreciate y'all. Like, thank you for listening to the music. Thank you for pushing us to like do better every time. I like the honesty, like every time, let's say there's a song that we do, on the next one. So shout out to them. And also, I've got some new music. The one that you just heard right now, it's featuring Prince of Zar. Shout out to him.
Okay, shout out to Prince
of Zar and Makado. Yeah. The beat is produced by Retro. Retro is like another crew of mine. Zaya. So we're just trying to link up like with people in Cape Town and see how far we can take this thing.
Wow.
So there's more stuff coming through. There's a new music video that's also gonna come through soon of this track actually. We're still trying to sort out
this one.
Yes, the structures around it.
Yes, man. And you always welcome to come on studio every time when you bring something new and so forth,
Much appreciated.
Yes. You are very welcome. You're very welcome. Man, I'll play back again a controller. So the guy for your sport, Akona is already on studio, guys. We're gonna go to sport as soon as possible. But you've been here in the morning. Ako the light earlier, earlier, very disciplined. We like controller, guys. Them time to control.
I need some time with you.
Try to see love.
Controller. Let yazifike last week ngihamba nabo Thembi konakele ngoba imama iphusha nabo Mbali ethi usuke eKaselana ugijimisa imali. She don't play games now amele keep imali. I don't even mind if she tell me gotta pay for it. I don't even bother. She tell me that she feisty. I just want party with the mommy like yeah.
But really guys, except question fair to you here, you promise. I'm really worried. Do you have any manager?
Nah, don't actually.
Who's marketing your music?
Myself and my guys.
And you guys?
Yeah, but mostly me. Like I'm always just trying to do. It's like trying to juggle everything. That's why everything is.
Did you ever make some money?
Yeah, actually, someone has bought our music before. It's as old, but I was like years back. I think the most money that we've made was like, is it 1.5 or 2K? That was that was like 2 years ago or something.
But now
like
you see, you are very talented, Baba man. So obvious, you will need some good manager. I know you have already.
If they're there and they're looking for us, we're ready to work.
Yeah. Ako, I'm telling you, the talent here. Guys, you'll understand Emakaya, and then wherever you are. Always, guys, guys, people are always bringing here in this studio. I want local people to come on studio. If ever that is you are very good, you are creating some beats, you are any vocal, any person, sound engineer, everything that is you have. If ever you are talented, this is your platform. This is local radio station. This is your platform. You have to come here. The guy elapha machita, italende elapha. You won't understand. I don't know why big radio station they don't play your music.
We reach out, but I mean the way I look at it is that it's going to happen eventually. So I am pushing, like we're sending emails every time.
Very patient, yeah.
So I'm cool with it. It's of when like, okay, hey, we actually need
You know,
also, I need a band to actually be sending them a request. Maybe then they'll start to see which, okay, we need to listen to this guy.
yeah, bruh, you're dope, bruh. Obviously, I'll speak with Young Beats, ne?
Yeah, Young
M Beats. Yeah, I'll meet with him tonight. Yeah, so we have a meeting. In fact, he's assisting me. I'm busy with my EP.
Oh, okay.
And I'm changing.
Dope.
Yes.
Track actually that I've got coming through. Yeah, but we still. I didn't want to speak about it, but yeah, like the beat was made by Young M.
Yeah,
and then there's
a
guy that we're trying to get from Joburg. It's Ivory Park. That's all I can say. He's in Ivory Park. So that's it, because that's another place that I really like, because Pretty Ugly's from there, and then so like there's like guys there that I found that are like dope, so like we're trying to mix that with this side, bring Cape Town closer to the world, I guess.
You're wonderful, bruh. I think most of my guys, you know, they are listening to the radio each and every time. You know, obviously, bruh, they will want to work with you. I know most of them. You know,
we can work.